Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the phone model and IMEI. Dial *#06# or open settings about. Next, check your Vodafone account status and make sure the device is eligible for unlock. Contracts or outstanding balances block the request. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and connect to reliable Wi-Fi or a computer. Now request the unlock. Use Vodafone's customer portal app or call customer service and ask for the network unlock code. Note the reference number you receive. Once Vodafone sends the unlock code, keep the reference and code safe. Power off the phone and insert a non-Vodafone SIM card to trigger the network lock prompt. When the phone asks for NCK or MCK, enter the code exactly as provided. Capitalization and digits matter. Make sure you type carefully because most phones allow only a few attempts. If you exhaust attempts, the phone may permanently lock or require a PUK-based rework. If it accepts, the device will register the new network. After a successful code entry, restart the phone and test calls, SMS, and mobile data on the new network to confirm full unlock functionality. If the code fails, double-check that the IMEI you gave Vodafone matches the device and request a reissued code. Reasons for failure include wrong IMEI or a code for a different region. If you exhausted attempts or see a permanent lock, make an appointment at a Vodafone service center or authorized repair. They can reset attempts or provide device-level support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.